In fairness. At ito naman si Tim nakahanap ng pang-dessert namin. This used to be my favorite when I was pregnant with Timmy and Philip. Some healthy pops. Alin yung mga juicy pops?
Ito po, ma'am.
Yeah. How about you? What are you gonna have? Choco banana daw. Ikaw, may gusto mo? Choco banana. Okay. Tapos ano? Mas isang matcha, miss. How much yung total? Matcha sa akin, no? Thank you. Sarap. Can I?
Are we gonna go to Starbucks?
Yeah. Well, don't keep on putting out your money.
Oh, you get robbed.
I did not get robbed.
No, don't.
Hold it in your pocket.
Yeah, don't keep on waving money around.
Who's watching you?
So yan, wrap up na kami and pauwi. Thank you for watching! In fairness!